The purchase was made last night. The goods arrived a few hours later. Generators, 27 of them, now owned by the Tennessee Valley Authority and getting a maintenance check by TVA electricians. Some of the generators got a 1992 workout in the aftermath of Hurricane Andrew, which left millions without power in Florida. TVA supplies power to about 8 million people in Tennessee and 6 other states, and some of them are still without power following last weekend's snowstorm. Even though many are still without power, TVA says these generators are for those facing life-threatening situations.
We have to dedicate those to extreme emergencies, again, life support type situations.
TVA is working with its 160 power distributors, like KUB, to determine where the generators should go. Late this afternoon, 3 of the generators were loaded onto a helicopter for a flight to Fontana Village, where there's a critical need for power. 27 generators won't have a huge impact in terms of numbers of people helped, but the hope here is that they'll get to people who need power most, and that they might help to save lives in the aftermath of the blizzard of '93. Al Klensch, Action 10 News.